Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Android ScrollView. We use Android ScrollView when the height of the content is more than the height of the screen. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We will give a name to the project and language kotlin. We will go to the main activity layout file and there first we'll create a ScrollView. ScrollView with match parent and height wrap content. ScrollView could have only one child view, so inside ScrollView we will place a linear layout. Linear layout with match parent, height, wrap content and orientation vertical. We will create text views inside linear layout, one text view for one city name. We have created multiple text views inside linear layout. As the orientation of the linear layout is vertical, so child views are coming vertically one below the other. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. As you could see, because the height of the content is more than the height of the screen, so the view is scrolling. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.